Welcome to Vidyasagara School. Let's begin our daily assembly.
Today's assembly is conducted by 4th class, mentored by Usha Mam.
Mentored by Usha Mam.
Myself, K. Babu from 4th grade. Start of the day. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Esther from 4th grade. Today word of the day, pleased meaning happy or satisfied. Example, she was absolutely pleased with the final exam result. Thank you, have a nice day. Good morning everyone, myself K. from 4th grade. Today greatest personality, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a brave freedom fighter of India. He loved our country very much. He wanted India to be free from British rule. The British put him in jail because he fought for freedom. He was only 23 years old. Thank you all, have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Ravi Kumar Subati from 4th grade. Today greatest location, Hampi. Hampi is the famous heritage place in Karnataka. It was once the capital of the Vidyasagara Empire. It is a symbol of India's richest history and culture. Thank you all.
Myself, Rajit Kumar from 4th grade. Today's slogan, O Annapurne, Sadapurne, Sankara Pranavallave, Jnana Vairagya, Siddhedam, Dikshandehi, Cha Parvati. Thank you all.
Everyone, myself Pankasha from 4th grade. Its meaning, O Godless Annapurne, who is always full of food and blessings, and the blessed. Please bless who is the food of wisdom and the strength to lead a good and detached life. Oh Mother Parvati, thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Hamashni from 4th grade. Today news. US imposes 10% tariff on Indian goods over foreign labor. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. Myself Ekshita from 4th grade. Today news. US House passes Republican only 95 billion Iran war budget plan. Thank you all. Have a nice day. And myself D. Shanmugapriya from 4th grade. Today news. Godfather of AI calls OpenAI linked AI agent data breach deeply concerning. Thank you. Have a nice day. Even myself from 4th grade. Today news. Google hit waste on the Indian EU fine in constructive talks to avoid more penalties. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. Myself Ananshita from 4th grade. Today's song. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I'm just great. I am fine, I am great. I am very well today. Thank you all. Good morning everyone, myself Ketra from 4th grade. Today's kid titled Kind Words Make a Big Difference. Characters Riya, Rahul, Meena, Teacher. Scene 1, School Playground. Riya looks sad. Oh no, I dropped all my books.
Ha ha ha, you are so careless.
Rahul, don't drop, let's help her.
You are right. Sorry Riya, let me help you.
Thank you Rahul, I feel much better now.
Very good children. Kind words and helping hands make everyone happy. I learned that we should never laugh at someone's mistake.
We should always be kind and help others. An act of kindness can make a big difference. Be